A benchtop bandsaw is the tool you don't think about until you need one. Then it's suddenly the easiest way to cut clean curves, trim joinery, and control small parts without wrestling a handheld saw. The trick is picking the right mix of throat capacity, cutting height, blade length, and blade width range, and how easy the saw is to tension and track after a blade swap. In this video, we're counting down the top 6 best benchtop bandsaws for 2026, with the key features and the real-world trade-offs. Links to all the saws mentioned are in the description below. Number 6. Skil 338601 9-inch bandsaw with light. If you want a starter bandsaw that sits comfortably on a small bench and stays friendly for beginners, the Skil 338601 is a smart entry point. It's built around a 9-inch cutting capacity with a 312-inch max cutting height. That's plenty for curved cuts in 1x and 2x lumber, small templates, toy parts, and quick shaping jobs where you care more about control. Then deep resawing. One reason this Skil feels approachable is the 2-speed blade setting. It runs at 1/400 or 2,700 surface feet per minute, so you can slow things down for tighter curves and bump it up for straighter cuts and quicker work in softer stock. Skil also focuses on visibility and simple adjustments. The articulated LED light keeps your cut line bright, and the blade tracking window lets you watch alignment as you fine-tune tracking. The table measures about 11.78 by 13.58 inches, which supports small workpieces well, and the included rip fence and miter gauge help you get repeatable straight cuts without fighting the tool. The main limitation is power. With a 2.5 amp motor, it rewards patient feed pressure, especially in thicker hardwood. Many reviewers see the biggest improvement after swapping to a higher quality blade and taking a minute to set tension and guides correctly. Treat it like a light-duty curve saw, and it's a solid value pick. Number 5. Ryobi BS9004G 2.5 amp 9-inch band saw. The Ryobi BS9004G stays compact, but it adds workshop-friendly features that make it feel more dialed in for regular DIY use. You get a 9-inch throat capacity, a maximum cutting height of 3 to 5/8 inches at 90 degrees, and a 62-inch blade length. Blade speed is listed at 2,460 SFPM, which is a practical all-around pace for wood projects. The table is also larger than you might expect for this size at about 11.34 by 14.304 inches, and it tilts from 0 to 45 degrees for bevel cuts. That extra table depth is useful when you're guiding small panels or longer trim pieces and you want the workpiece to feel supported. Where this Ryobi typically wins points is setup. There's a blade tracking sight window so you can center the blade more confidently, and a rapid set blade tensioning system that makes blade changes less of a chore. You also get rack and pinion blade guide adjustment for smoother, more accurate guide height changes. Ryobi calls out micro adjustment on blade tension and aluminum interior wheels aimed at reducing vibration, which can matter on lighter benchtop saws. Like most 9-inch saws, it benefits from a better blade than the one in the box. A quality 1/4-inch blade helps curves, while a slightly wider blade tracks straighter for basic ripping. And at about 37.3 pounds, it's worth bolting down if your bench is light. The included miter gauge is basic, but it's handy for quick trim cuts and squaring up small blanks. Number 4. Grizzly G0803Z 9-inch benchtop bandsaw with laser guide and quick release. If you like the 9-inch footprint but want a saw that feels more like a small shop machine, the Grizzly G0803Z is a strong step up. It uses a 1 to 3 HP motor, has a maximum cutting width of 9 inches, and a maximum cutting height of 3 to 5/8 inches. The table size is 11 to 3x4 by 11 to 3x4 inches, blade length is 62 inches, and it ships at about 49 pounds, so it has more presence on the bench than the lightest entry models. The Z version focuses on cut line visibility and faster blade handling. You get a laser guide for keeping your cut on track, plus quick blade change hardware that makes it easier to swap blades or detension between sessions. Grizzly also lists balanced aluminum wheels, a detail that can help a small saw run smoother once it's set up well. In real use, the laser is most helpful as a reference, not a fix. A dull blade will still wander, and poor tension will still show up as drift. But with a sharp blade, properly set guides, and a steady feed rate, this saw can feel noticeably more confident than basic starter models. It's also a good fit if you like to detension your blade after use, because the quick release makes that routine painless. Number 3. Wen BA3962 10-inch 2-speed band. Saw with stand and work light. This is where Benchtop starts to blur into small shop bandsaw, because the WEN BA3962 comes with its own stand and offers a big jump in cutting. Height. It has a 9 to 3/4-inch throat capacity and a maximum cutting height of 6 inches, which opens up real resaw work for smaller boards and thicker stock. The motor is rated at 3.5 amps. It uses 72-inch blades from 1.8 to 1.2 inch wide, and you get two blade speeds, 1,520 or 2,620 FPM. That gives you a slower option for control on tougher cuts, and a faster option for quicker ripping in softwood and smoother curves in thinner stock. The work table is generous at about 14.148 by 12.12 inches, and it tilts up to 45 degrees. WEN includes a fence and miter gauge, plus a built-in work light and a multi-size dust port that can connect to common hoses. With the stand installed, the saw sits around 58.1 inches tall, and the overall weight is about 73.5 pounds, which helps it stay stable during a cut. The trade-off is that value-focused saws often need a careful first setup. Guide bearings, tracking, and fence alignment matter a lot, and taking time here makes a bigger difference than chasing extra features. If your top priority is getting 6 inches of cutting height in a compact footprint, this WEN deserves a serious look. Number 2. JET JWB-10 10-inch bandsaw with open stand. If you're ready to pay for a smoother, more refined experience, the JET JWB-10 is a great compact upgrade. It's powered by a 1.2 HP induction motor, 3.4 amps, and uses a poly-V drive system designed to transfer power efficiently while reducing vibration. Cutting capacity is 9.142 inches wide and 4.148 inches high. Blade length is 67.1.2 inches, blade speed is 2,750 SFPM, and it accepts blades from 1.08 to 1.2 inch wide. That range lets you run a narrow blade for tighter curves, then step up to a wider blade when you want straighter tracking. Where the JET really feels like an upgrade is in the table and the day-to-day convenience touches. The cast iron table is 13.1/8 by 13.38 inches, and a retractable extension wing expands it to about 13.18 by 19 inches. That extra support helps when you're guiding wider workpieces, and it can make the saw feel more stable, especially on long cuts. You get upper and lower ball-bearing blade guides for stability, a quick-release blade tension system for faster blade changes, and a rack and pinion guidepost adjustment for precise height control. The fence includes a magnifying cursor on the scale, which makes it easier to set a cut width quickly and repeat it later without guesswork. Dust collection is another plus with a 4-inch dust port that suits a standard dust collector. The trade-off is footprint and price. With the stand, it's roughly 59.142 inches tall, and the net weight is about 83 pounds, so it wants a dedicated spot. But if you cut often, the smoother running and better support are easy to appreciate. Number 1. Rikon 10-310 10-inch bandsaw. With stand for most people looking for the best all-around benchtop bandsaw in 2026, the Rikon 10-310 hits a sweet spot between size, features, and capability. It runs a 1-3 HP TEFC motor drawing 3.5 amps, blade speed is 2,625 FT Newell-Min, and cutting capacity is 9.58 inches wide with a 4/5/8 inch cutting height. Blade length is 70 to 1.2 inches, and it accepts blades from 1.8 to 1.2 inch wide so it can handle tight curve work, general shop cutting, and light resawing without feeling boxed in. That extra cutting height over many small saws is what makes it so versatile for box parts, thicker templates, and occasional resaw tasks. The feature list is built around everyday usability. You get a welded steel column and frame, balanced drive wheels, a quick-release blade tension system, and spring-loaded toolless upper and lower blade guides. The machined cast iron table is 11-3/4 by 11-3/4 inches with a 3/4 by 3/8 T-miter slot, and it tilts 5 degrees left and 45 degrees right for bevel work. A miter gauge and fence are included. Dust collection runs through a 1.2-inch port for a shop vac, and the net weight is about 61.75 pounds. That's heavy, enough to feel stable on the stand but still manageable to reposition if you need to. No benchtop saw replaces a full 14-inch floor bandsaw for tall resawing, but for curves, joinery, templates, and occasional resaw tasks, the 10-310 is the one that most people can buy and grow with. So that wraps up our list of the top 6 best benchtop bandsaws for 2026. If you want a budget-friendly starter for small projects, the Skil is an easy entry point. If you want quick adjustments and a larger table in the 9-inch class, the Ryobi is a great fit. If you want extra visibility and faster blade handling, the Grizzly is a smart step up. If your priority is maximum cutting height, the Wen stands out. If you want the smoothest, most refined feel in a compact saw, the JET is a great upgrade. Our top pick, the Rikon 10-310, takes #1 for the best balance of capability and everyday usability. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which bandsaw you'd choose and what you're planning to build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.